Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles for you. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Sarah Sanderson, who is one of the 3 Sanderson sisters from Hocus Pocus. So to get started drawing Sarah, I'm going to do the shape of her head. So I started with a little line and then I curved and slanted downward. And now we are going to do the same on this side, only the opposite. So we're slanting upward and then curving and coming up straight. Okay, so here's the shape of the face. Next thing, let's do some hair. So I'm going to do bit of a curve here and do a little line right here. This is where her hair is going to be parted. And over on this side, we can bring this piece of hair and curve down. So next, I'm going to do the top of the hair. So coming on down a bit and curving right here. Bringing this down. So now before we do anything else with the hair, I'm going to work a little bit on the face. So let's do an eye. I'm going to do a shape right there like that, and a little inside circle. Same on the other side, inside circle, and we can do a circle on the inside of both of those. I'm going to color the rest in black. And a little like eyebrow above both of those, and then a little nose. It's kind of just a little almost like a little pothole. And now let's do a little smile, and I'm going to do a little bottom lip here and a little top lip. Alright, so next let's continue on with a bit of hair. So she's got some like curly, kind of wavy hair. So let's do a few little curly waves, and she's got some pretty long hair too. So just a few little squiggly waves here. And same on the other side. Long, wavy hair. All right, so next thing, let's do a neck. So bringing down 2 lines here, and I'm going to add a bit of hair, a bit more hair. So right here, let's do another wavy part and connect that to the other bits of hair. And same right here. Add more hair, lots and lots of hair. All right, so next I'm going to do a line right here. This is going to be the collar of her outfit, and then a line right here. It's kind of slanting, and on this side, same thing. Now right here, I'm going to do another line, and over here, another line. Okay, now I'm coming on downward, curving, coming on up, and I'm going to bring these 2 lines here to the bottom. This one's a little off kilter, not quite exactly where I wanted it here in the middle. See how it's kind of off? And this one's right here. That's fine. No big deal. We're just drawing and having some fun here. So it doesn't have to be perfect. So right here, I'm going to do a bit of a, just a few X's here. She's got like a little bit of string kind of laced up here in the front. And here on the side, I'm going to do a couple little swirls, just as like a little pattern on her outfit. And let's see, right here, let's work on the skirt. So I'm going to come on out this way and another line here, and come down a bit and come on up. And we're going to do the same on the other side. So this is just some like bunched up bits of fabric. And then right here in the middle, we're gonna come on down. Same here on this side. And let's do another line and another one down. And right here, another one and another one. It's a great big, super long skirt. And let's do a few more lines just to help show some movement in the fabric. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna do, let's do some arms. So her shoulder, it's covered by hair, but the shoulder would be like right here, and we would be having an arm right here. So I think let's bring our arm to right here, and then it would be bent, and we'll put the hand on the hip. So we'll bend it right here at the elbow, and I'm gonna put a hand right here and put a finger there, and right here we'll start with the other part of her arm. And so now she's got one arm there, and let's do the other hand here. So the shoulders behind this hair, it would be coming out this way. So right now the other arm would be coming down here, and I'm not going to have it hand on the hip. I'm going to do another thing on this side. Let's just have her hand here. So another line, just have a thumb here and a finger and another finger, like that. And we're gonna put a line right here for her sleeve and one right here. And her sleeves have like, they're kind of made of, it kind of looks like lace. So instead of doing like a lacy pattern, I'm just gonna kind of do just some little zigzaggy, swirly, just lines. And same on the other side. Just some kind of swirly lines all over the place. No real rhyme or reason to any of them. Just to kind of help give it a bit of a patterned look. Because as I said, she has like lace on the sleeves. So, all right, so we're done our drawing, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started with coloring. All right, folks, thanks for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for our next doodle. All right, everyone, have a really good day. Goodbye.